Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for PrizePicks. First of all, what you have to do is go to Google search engine and search for PrizePicks and click on the top search result to open the website. Now the PrizePicks website has been opened. What you have to do is click on the sign up button, which is on the top right corner. It will ask for my location. PrizePicks allow location in browser settings to validate your state's daily fantasy sports eligibility. So I will allow this time. And then what you have to do is enter your email address, and then you have to input your first name and last name. Click on continue, enter your date of birth. For instance, I will type in my date of birth, click on continue, and then you have to enter your address information. After entering your address, you have to create your password. By creating an account, you agree to the PrizePicks terms and conditions, so I agree and click on create account. To help protect you from fraud, we need some additional information to verify your identity, including the last 4 digits of your social security number, and then click on confirm identity. As you can see, the user has been updated successfully and you have successfully created a PrizePicks account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.